Everybody know I was like, hey, come out. Hey, come out. Shit like that. Shit like that. Ah! What the fuck, nigga?
Yeah. Got a lot of swag. I don't even trip. Young Trey Splash. Yeah, I got a lot of girls on my back. That girl a dope. She used to laugh. Hop in the car and I press on the gas. Get to the money, you know I do that. I am that kid with the thoughts in the pad. Hating on me, hey boy, where your racks at?
Yo,
we in this shit, man, you know what I'm saying? We in Boston, bro, chilling. Fuck you talking about my fault game. I ain't mean to step on the slides. But goddamn, like, comment, and fucking subscribe. I'ma fuck your bitch. Simple.
Straight like that? Straight like that? Hey, you just gonna walk up like that?
And you better hope she ain't white. Fuck you talking about.
Oh my god. What you gotta say? What you gotta say for this Boston trip so far?
That nigga love them white girls, nigga. That's all I'm gonna say.
You know what I'm saying? We just checked in. I mean, we really did. I just forgot to record when we did landed, but we're here in Boston right now. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Boston vlog number 1. You feel me? Got my niggas in the back, man. Y'all niggas saying what's good.
Say that alone, man.
I ain't talking about, you know, I'm talking about my niggas up there, you feel me? We got the niggas eating breakfast. Them niggas been eating breakfast for like 45 minutes now. Right, man.
8 past 10 o'clock. Goddamn, first
I ain't gonna lie, y'all.
First exploration for the day game.
Oh, I'm liking what Boston is doing to me right now.
We gotta hit the beach and see what the vibes is on. You
look, now we finna hit the beach right now. It's currently what? It's like 10 in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Hey, we get that shit, though. We get that shit. Oh, I know. Oh, wait. Oh, damn. Bro, stand in place, nigga.
I can't, bro. Stand in place.
Yeah.
You trying to get in the vlog, my boy? What's good?
Because you brought young Zion Williamson with you, so let's do it.
Hey, barbecue his ass, bro. No, barbecue
I'm
his ass.
about to hit you with the illest freestyle you've ever
Oh,
heard.
what you got? It's for the vlog.
Will you buy the music? That's the question.
That shit got a hit, bro.
I got your
That
back.
shit got a hit, bro.
Where you from?
I just got here.
From where?
From Virginia.
I got your back.
Show me what you got, bro.
Time travel.
Let me see.
Well, but you're the first person.
Let's do it like this.
Okay, all right, bet.
First, I'm Black Swan, I always deliver. I knew y'all was rich men, you came down from Virginia. I appreciate you hitting me up on your blog, the new swag. My brother came like the Afro Samurai with the do-rag. I appreciate you, Oladipo, because these are the facts. I'm rubbing your hair, don't mean to be in your beeswax. Brother, let's be honest. I'm sort of like your shirt, but with no broken promises. I make it all connect. I'm like Tupac Shakur when I speak. Ask my brother Ric Flair, holding on to purely.
No, cause he wildin', coach.
It's gorgeous. They say I'm a knockout like Mayweather. It was great weather. I'm so glad Virginia came together. I'll be your PA, but I'm doing this for VA. The flow's gorgeous, like when through Logan with those Jordans. I'm talking about the bars are real. And brother, you the same complexion as the Tar Heels.
Nah.
My brother came out looking like young LSU.
Nah.
Yeah, with the Swan, he was jumping up on the couch, repping for the LeBron. Yeah, but the flow is great. So, brother, I appreciate you coming from the West Coast. Told you I'll be the best host. That Tony the Tigers. Nobody does it iller than Zion. Brother, your game is ridiculous. You've been dunking since you was about 6. So I appreciate you, brother. Let me spit this fashion. No Mariah, but that's a Nick Cannon. But anyway, I'ma bring it to a closure. Yep, I make it all connect. Yep, look out for the popo for you. But that's why we ain't doing nothing illegal because we are Appalachian kings. They see you. But come on through. Let me throw up the Swan. Yes, gentlemen, that was for you. Show him
Yo, bro, he's on. Yeah, he's killing it, bro. Yo, bro. Yeah, he's killing it, bro.
I appreciate the energy.
Hey, nah, I fucks with it, bro. I fucks with it, bro. Oh, all right.
B Swan.
Okay. I got it.
B Swan.
That shit hard. Damn.
today, baby.
Day one for the vlogs is lit, my boy.
Let me give you the tag. Let me give you the tag.
Wait,
On Instagram.
We gonna drop that bit right there.
Black_Swan INK. Y'all stay in touch, all right?
Stay in touch with that nigga, man.
The SoundCloud B.Swan. Y'all the future. God bless you.
Boy, have a
Stay in
nice.
touch, fellas, all right? Y'all hit me up, please.
Lose, nigga. I mean, if you lose, nigga.
no.
50.
Look, nigga, all right, give my 50 and you still gotta put in for the lip. Yes. That's the only way. That's the only way. That's the only way. That's the only way.
take this shot.
That's the only fucking way. I don't know who you think you bargaining with, bitch. Bro, if I know we all agree on this, my nigga. You don't want to have short-term memory. Look, I said, agree on shit, D. I said,
out of that cup of
did I not say he owed me $60 when we walked in the store? He said, yeah, I got you. No, I said, yeah, I got you. I said $50. No, niggas ain't your niggas, man. That's all I'm saying. No, when did I say 60? That nigga said, oh. Fuck up. Crash my box, man. What you talking about, nigga? Oh shit.
Oh shit. Yes, sir!
I'm finna tombstone this nigga. I'm finna Batista bar this nigga. You bum bitch. Move off me, nigga. Get off me, nigga. Get off me, nigga. Fuck time, my nigga. You bitch, nigga.
Bro, this ain't Arizona right here.
You gonna be in here like 2 minutes? You gonna be here in 2 minutes, right? Yeah. Alright, bet. I'm gonna spend that. Come on, there's no way you bought that line.
Bro, there's a way. On my soul, he dead ass too. He's so dead ass. That's my nigga, man. Yes, sir. Louis, yeah, I already got you too, gang. You good?
You gonna do it?
You gotta find her first. Oh yeah, I knew that shit was fat. Found her. He found her. Nah, this nigga is hilarious. I can't with this nigga, man.
Can I talk to you? Say it look good. Can I talk to you?
They don't got no goddamn Twizzler pulls, gang. Oh, they do. Hold up. No, they don't. Bro, they don't got no pull apart Twizzler, cuz. I'm tight. Alright, I'm gone, cuz.
I'm taking that risk.
You taking that risk, cuz? What? Damn. What? Huh? Damn. Oh, it's 30 on them, cuz. Nah.
Nah, man, we're currently
Word. Downtown Boston? You liking the vibes, bro?
Downtown Boston for the first time.
Word? You jacking?
I'm kind of liking it.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, Mir. Part number two. Part number two. You good, bro? How you liking it downtown, bro? This shit, you vibing with it, bro? Scatter with that, bro.
Yeah, I don't mind the bonnet, but yeah, man, we at the airport right now. About to go ahead and go to Boston. You feel me? I'm by myself right now. You feel me? Cause I gotta charge the AirPod. You know what I'm saying? Rich like shit. You feel me? But nah, man, I ain't gonna lie. If you're watching this, and you enjoy my videos, man, even if you're just watching this, you ain't gotta like it, you feel me? Shout out to you, my nigga. You're the real MVP, my nigga. You know that? You are the real MVP, bro. That being said, man, this will be the intro to, I might do like a 3-episode type vlogs in Boston. I don't know, like y'all gotta tell me what's up, man. But y'all make sure y'all like up this video, sub if you're new, you know what I'm saying? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell your grandma to tell your auntie, and then back to your father, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and sub, share the channel, man. We're growing, we about to hit 300, y'all. 300 subs, man. But with that being said, I'm gonna check in with y'all when I get in the airplane.